guys, today I'm gonna show you the unboxing for Alia B Basta 2 mini bag. Okay, because I was looking, the reason why I'm doing this video because I was looking for a local designer unboxing, but there's none in the YouTube, so this is my first try. Okay, so now let's go. So this is the packaging, Zalora. Okay, now I'm gonna alright, so ta-da! The packaging is from Sometime. Okay, so let's open it. The dust bag that comes together with the bag. Okay, so yep, and I've ordered navy blue. Yay! Navy blue. Okay, as you can see, there's a tag, sometimes tag. Okay, and it states here. Okay, there's some messages from Alia B as well. Okay, so I haven't done any, engraving of my name here. So you can see this is the gold buckle, same like the old Basta 2. It's just that it's slightly smaller. And you can see inside. Okay. There's 2 compartments. Okay, and there's a card. This is the card where you can engrave your name. You can send it to Sometime for personalization. Okay, this is the care card. Okay, so here, this is the gold chain that I have for the strap. This one is not detachable. It's not like the old one where you can detach the strap, but this one you cannot detach it. But you can adjust the strap. Either you want to wear it like this or you can wear it like this. Okay. So inside, let's go inside. Still have the same compartment, the secret one. I call it secret hidden compartment, just like the old one. And this is the middle area, and this is the front one. And we have this color transfer. Okay, this is super nice. Okay, that's it for me for Alia Basta 2 mini.